the Portal Stadium or Bleacher chair. Okay, so I like my chair. This is actually very comfortable. I do like it. I like that it has a very wide seat. It's also a very tight seat. So I feel like I'm very secure and I'm not falling all the way through to actually sit on the stadium or the bleacher itself. These arms here have a little bit of a spacer so that way your thigh or your leg is not going to be pushing against this where you feel like you don't have enough space. On the top, it's designed as well to actually have a little bit of tightness so that when you're leaning back against it, you don't feel like you're actually hitting the top bar of this. Now, it does have the armrests, which are very comfortable, and in the front it has a small pocket for your phone or a wallet of some sort, and then also, you know, your water bottle or beverage. It is made of metal. The whole thing is actually made of metal except for the seat itself, which is made out of like a canvas. It does fold down for easy storage. That's a nice little feature. Let me go ahead and flip it over so that you can see the underside. It does have the clip for you to be able to put underneath your stadium or your bleacher, wherever it is that you're going to be sitting, so that it actually secures to the sitting surface. And then it also has these rubber bumpers so that when it's sitting on the bleachers, you're not rubbing metal against metal. Again, it is all designed of metal. The only thing that I would say that it absolutely needs, that I wish it had, and this is just a preference, is some sort of strap to be able to carry it. You can grab it here, and you can actually go ahead and carry it like this, which is fine. But a lot of times when you're walking for a long distance, this will actually open up on you. If you try to carry it here, a lot of times your fingers will get pinched. Or if you try to carry it from the top, same thing, it opens up on you. And that's just a small design flaw. However, if you can find some sort of strap, or if that's not a problem for you, it's extremely comfortable. And my favorite parts are the fact that it's got a very, very tight surface here, so I don't feel like I'm sitting directly on the bleachers. It's comfortable, as well as the armrests.